Today we'll be cooking steak, sous vide method. So we have the vacuum bagging system here from Lidl Silver Crest. Works very well, where we can make your custom bags. We just season it with salt, pepper and garlic powder, and a string here of rosemary. We will be putting it here in our bucket with the Wancle sous vide machine, let's call it, for about 2 hours at about 53 degrees, and then we will be cooking it in the Oni Coda 16 pizza oven with the griddle. Thanks for watching. So now we got the 2 steaks in the bucket here with our Wancle sous vide machine. We set the temperature at 63 because we want medium well done. The temperature right now is only at 39. It's gonna go at we set it for 63 degrees Celsius. So now it's gradually heating up to the temperature, and then the clock will beep and start the time of 2 hours. You see? So I took the steaks out of the sous vide and I put them in this overheat grill. And incredible, that's just half a minute here for browning.